Yeah, it definitely feels like a scat pack kind of day. Let's take this bad boy out for a nice cruise. Oh, all right. Let's go find somewhere to sit and chat about things. This 2023 could get real interesting.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I choose you.
Hey, what's up, GTC family? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all had a great Christmas. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season for whatever you celebrate, and want to wish all of you a successful and healthy and happy 2023. Anyway, as soon as 2023 allocations opened, I did jump on the phone with a dealership that I've worked with in the past, that I have a relationship with, and started to talk about how could I get one of these, and do they have allocations. And even though the horsepower locator says who has what, I'll tell you there's a lot of fuzziness around that. There's a lot of blurred lines, and I'm not sure how accurate that horsepower locator is. Let's just leave it at that. Anyways, part of the delay in kind of waiting to share this news was that it's one thing to be told, yes, you've got an allocation and you've got a build, but it's another thing to get confirmation from the factory. But just this past week, I got this email, and I'll share it on the screen here, that says my 2023 Hellcat Redeye is set for production. It's been confirmed. I have not only an order number, I have a VIN number. It's a guaranteed build. And I got a lot of mixed feelings about this, because I am stoked. On the one hand, I was able to get one of these. Extremely, extremely hard to get. I know there's a lot of people out there frustrated by this. I was frustrated for weeks and weeks. I didn't know what my status was. I didn't know if I'm going to get one, if I'm not. And in fact, my dealer said, why don't you put in a regular Hellcat order just in case this doesn't get picked up for build, etc. And I passed on that opportunity. To me, if I'm going to do it, I'm going all in. I'm getting a Hellcat Redeye. Anyway, so that's the news. It's a Charger Hellcat Redeye. I'll save exactly what my build was and all that kind of stuff for another video, but keep this in mind: ordering the car, getting the VIN number, getting an order number, having it go into production, that is one thing. Actually taking delivery of the car, that could be another. And I'm being realistic and fairly pragmatic about this, because there's a lot of dealer shenanigans around here. There's a lot of folks that go to take delivery of their car and get shafted. I could easily get shafted on this car. The other thing is the interest rates are crazy right now. And that's another thing, is going, and once you actually go in and make the deal and try to secure financing, that's another conversation, another factor I've got to, deal with. So we will see, but right now, that is kind of cool that I have got a Redeye secured and basically going into production anytime soon. And the biggest delay will be shipping. At least according to the dealership, that will be the biggest delay. Anyways, guys, we will take you along on this crazy journey and see where this lands. And in the meantime, take care. Have a great 2023. Catch you on the next one.